National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for southern Granville County, northeastern Wake County, southeastern Durham County, northwestern Franklin County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Durham, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Raleigh around 4:10 p.m. Wake Forest around 4:30 p.m. Franklinton around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Falls Lake State Rec Area, Youngsville, Falls Lake Boat Ramp, and Pernal. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Franklin, Granville, and Wake. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.